Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture we are going to learn how to write a C program that prints the table of any number. So this question is asked in many lab exams. Write a C program to print the table of a number. The number should be taken from the user. So I will explain everything step by step in a very easy words. So let us start. Imagine that your teacher asks you to write the table of 8. So let me write the 8 table. So 8 into 1 equal to 8. So this is our 8 table. Instead of writing it manually, we can ask the computer to do it for us. So now let us see the C code for the writing the table of a given number. So C code. So first we're gonna write our header file hashtag include stdio.h .h. So this gives us the input and output function like printf and scanf. So on the next line we're gonna write int main. So the execution of the program starts from the main function. In the main function, we're gonna write int num comma I. So now we created two integer variables. Num stores the number entered by the user and I is used for counting. So on the next line, we're gonna write printf. Printf enter the number. The number. So we are asking the user to enter the number. So we're gonna write on the next line scanf. The percentile d is the access specified for the integer, and we're going to write ampersand num. So this tells us that we are asking the number from the user. So this displays the message on the screen. This takes the input from the user and stores it in the num. Suppose the user enters 8. Now the num becomes 8. So the next line is gonna be for I equal to 1. So I is started from 1 and I is less than or equal to 0. Sorry, I is less than or equal to 10. I is incremented. So we're gonna write printf percentile d into percentile d equal to percentile d new line. So let me write here. So comma num comma I comma num star I. So this loop starts from 1 and runs until 10. The values of the I becomes 1, 2, 3 and so on to 10. For every value of I, the loop executes once. Inside the loop, the printf percentile d into percentile d's code gonna prints the table by line. For example, when I equal to 1, it gonna print 8 1 are 8. When I becomes 2, it gonna print 8 into 2 equal to 16 and so on up to 8 into 10 equal to 80. So this continues until up to the 10. So finally, we're gonna return 0. So this is our code and hope this code is clear to everyone. Let me type the code in GDB online C compiler. So finally we have typed our code. So I gonna explain it again. First we are, on the first line we have declared our header file. On the second line we have declared our main function. On the third line we have declared our variables num and I. On the fourth and fifth line we are asking the user to enter the given number, enter the number. On the sixth line we are declared a for loop. And on seventh line we print we're gonna print, and on the ninth line we're gonna return 0. So let me run this code. So it's asking to enter number. Let me give 8. So successfully have run the code. Hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.